Hello students. In this class let us discuss about ozone layer and how ozone layer is getting depleted. Ozone is a layer, ozone or O3. Ozone is designated as O3. It forms a layer which is present in the lower atmosphere. It is present in the ozone layer is present in the lower atmosphere called troposphere and upper part of the atmosphere. Ozone layer is present in the lower atmosphere called troposphere and upper part of the atmosphere that is called as stratosphere. Means ozone layer is present in both, in the lower atmosphere called troposphere and in the upper part of the atmosphere called stratosphere. The main function of ozone layer in the stratosphere is it protects the earth. The main function of the ozone layer in the stratosphere is protecting the earth from the high energy UV radiations. Protects the earth from high energy UV radiations or ultraviolet radiations. Protects the earth from UV radiations or ultraviolet radiations. But in the lower atmosphere or in the troposphere, this ozone is a pollutant which harms both plants and animals. In the upper atmosphere, ozone layer is present. Upper part of the atmosphere called stratosphere. In the stratosphere, ozone layer is present. And in the stratosphere, the main function of ozone layer is protecting the surface of the earth from high energy UV radiations or ultraviolet radiations. But the ozone present in the lower atmosphere or in the troposphere of the atmosphere where it acts as a pollutant. In the lower atmosphere, ozone acts as a pollutant which harm the plants as well as animals. Ozone depletion. Ozone depletion in the stratosphere is nothing but decrease. Ozone depletion in the stratosphere is nothing but decrease in the amount of ozone. Decrease in the amount of ozone in the stratosphere. Decrease in the amount of ozone in the stratosphere is called as ozone, or it is referred as ozone depletion in the stratosphere. And the thickness of the ozone layer should be maintained for the benefit of the living organism, because ozone layer mainly protects the living organisms from the ultraviolet radiation or UV radiations of the sun. UV radiation of the sun is harmful to living organisms because mainly it causes the skin cancer. When ultraviolet radiation of the sun reach or when it hits us, when it reach the earth or when it hits us, then it may cause or it may leads to the development of skin cancer. Ozone depletion was first detected in the stratosphere over Antarctica. First, the depletion of ozone layer was detected in the over the Antarctica. It was first detected over the Antarctica. And scientists, they called it as ozone hole. When the part of the atmosphere where ozone is most depleted, the part of the atmosphere where ozone is most depleted, then they called it as ozone hole. It is not the actual hole. Ozone hole is the area or part of the atmosphere where ozone is most depleted, become thin. That region is called as ozone hole. Then formation of ozone. How ozone is formed? Ozone is mainly formed by the action of sunlight on oxygen molecule. Action of sunlight on oxygen molecule leads to the formation of ozone. Oxygen means O2. All the aerobic forms of the life requires oxygen for various metabolic reactions. Aerobic forms of the life or aerobic forms of living organisms cannot survive without oxygen. These oxygen molecules absorb the energy from the sun, or they absorb the UV radiations. Particularly they absorb energy from the UV radiations of the sun, and then they split into single oxygen atoms. Means oxygen molecules absorb energy from UV or ultraviolet radiations of the sun, then they split into single oxygen atoms. Single oxygen atoms. Then these single oxygen atoms combine with the oxygen molecules and forms ozone layer. Single oxygen atom combines with oxygen molecules. See, this is the oxygen molecule and these are oxygen atoms. Splitting of oxygen molecules in presence of ultraviolet radiations of sun leads to the formation of oxygen atoms. These oxygen atoms combines with oxygen molecule. Oxygen atom combines with oxygen molecule, which leads to the formation of ozone, O3. O3 or ozone is formed. Ozone is formed in the presence of ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Usually the total amount of ozone remains constant because the formation and destruction of ozone occurs at the same rate. The formation and destruction or breakdown of ozone occurs at the same rate. Hence, the total amount of ozone usually remains constant. But sometimes depletion of ozone, due to the depletion, even if 1% reduction takes place in the amount of ozone in the stratosphere, then we can observe the effect of ozone depletion. Then what are the main causes of ozone depletion? Main causes. Reasons or causes of ozone depletion. The main cause of ozone depletion is chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs. The main cause for the depletion of ozone layer is the chlorofluorocarbons, or they are also called as CFCs. Chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs, and these are usually used in air conditioning, AC, or in refrigerators. Chlorofluorocarbons are used in refrigerators and in air conditioners. Release of chlorofluorocarbons or use of chlorofluorocarbons in air conditioners or in refrigerators leads to the depletion of overuse of these CFCs, leads to depletion of ozone layer, because The CFCs which are used in AC or in refrigerators move out of the refrigerators or AC and then they cross the ozone shield. They interact with the UV radiations of the sun, during which chlorine is released, or chlorine which is present in the CFCs gets separated. This chlorine attacks the ozone layer, or it attacks the ozone and leads to, or it causes the depletion of ozone layer. CFC means chlorofluorocarbon. These chlorofluorocarbons cross the ozone shield. They interact with UV radiations or ultraviolet radiations of the sun. At that time, from the CFCs, chlorine is released or gets separated. That separated chlorine attacks the ozone layer and causes its depletion. So this is about causes of ozone depletion. Then effects. What are the effects of ozone depletion? Main effects of ozone depletion. So the main effects of ozone depletions are when plants are exposed to UV radiations, then we can observe reduction in the growth of the plants or reduction in the chlorophyll content of the plant. When ozone layer gets depleted, UV radiations of the sun reach the earth, or UV radiations of the sun hits the plant vegetation as well as animals, or including human beings present on the earth. When plants are exposed to UV radiations, we can observe, or that leads to reduction in the growth of the plant as well as reduction in the chlorophyll content of the plants. Then another main reason is it weakens the immune system. It weakens the immune system, especially the individuals who are exposed to HIV or those who are suffering from AIDS. In such individuals, it completely weakens the immune system. Then one more main effect of ozone depletion is it causes skin cancer. It causes the skin cancers. And in human beings, it also affects the eye. Human eye, due to the absorption of high dose of ultraviolet radiations. It affects on human eye. Especially it causes inflammation of the cornea or cataract, etc. Effects of ozone depletion in human beings. One is it develops or it increases the chances of getting skin cancer, and another one is it affects the human eye. Mainly it may cause inflammation of the cornea or cataract, etc. and it weakens the immune system of HIV patient particularly. So this is about the formation of ozone layer, then causes of ozone depletion and effects of ozone depletion. This completes your chapter or environment. Thank you.